Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two carbon monoxide alarms. So on the right, this is the Kidde carbon monoxide alarm, and this is the first alert. Now the first alert, you can plug into a wall outlet, and it also has a cable, you can also mount this on the wall and then plug this down lower, or it comes assembled like this. The cable's stored so that you can simply plug it into a wall outlet. That's fine too. It has two AA batteries for backup power. Now and then over here on the Kidde, this is battery powered only. So you're going to have batteries that you install right here. Now each one has a year. The first alert is after 7 years, its life is expired. The Kidde's after 10 years. Now both of them show you a display that shows you the carbon monoxide level in your house. Over here. Now in the first alert, the battery symbol is flashing because it's just on battery powered. When we plug it in, we got a green light to let us know that it's activated. Now it doesn't give us a continuous readout like the Kidde does. That gives us a continuous readout of what it is. But if your carbon monoxide starts to go up, you will start to see a reading here. But let's press the test button on the first alert. You gotta press and hold it, yeah, test. See, 4 quick beeps. They both do 4 quick beeps when you get an alarm. And this is testing the alarm, flashing the red light, but then the display goes back to 0 and you get a constant green light. Over here, this one, the green light's just gonna flicker at you every 60 seconds to let you know it has power, but you got the display. Let's press the test button. You'll get 4 quick beeps followed by a flashing red light. And then it's gonna show the 8s for the display, and then it'll go back to 0, current reading. Both of them have peak level. You can press the peak level, see what the peak level was, because your carbon monoxide may have gone up and then gone down, but at least you can check what the peak level was. This one is 0. Now I do wish the first alert kind of showed you, I know we have a green light and you may not be looking at this, but I do wish it showed you a display. Even when it's 0, I like seeing that 0. Size-wise, they're about the same, about 4 3/4. Up down's about 3 1/4. Sticks out from the wall about 2. Yeah, the Kidde's 4.5 by 3. Sticks out from the wall about 2. This one's a little more versatile. I don't have to have a plug by. I can put batteries in it, and then it's ready to go. I can kind of put this anywhere I need to. I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.